Locarno. I think that's where we're going actually, Locarno. Oh.
What?
There's a real nice road that went down the side of a lake once we got to the end of that road over the mountain. But yeah, we haven't got a choice. Okay.
We ain't got a choice.
No. We found somewhere called Grotto America. Very nice.
What?
See if we can get parked near there and have something to eat. You ready, Bane?
Yeah.
40 minutes we should be there. We're going to be back in Switzerland. It's a shame. It looked real nice that road down by the lake.
Yeah. In it by a bit of laurel sod, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, at least we've got a workaround.
Yeah. Closed.
What?
You just said closed. Closed. Closed.
Don't say that to me. I thought this road was closed then. This looks like it's got some nice bends on it as well actually. Does that mean go or stop?
I think it's caution, isn't it? Proceed with caution.
I was cautious, Nick.
I'm glad you was cautious.
Oh, the car, bloody hell. That's impressive. Bloody Italian cars come out of nowhere.
There's no fuck skipping this thing. I'm going.
We should have bought a few extra euro for them. Give them a little bottle of fucks. Spoiling our shots. Don't need to be going this slow, that's for sure.
You think they think, oh, let the motorbike buy me too.
Oh, come on.
Fuck off. Live in Switzerland.
I know they're used to this fucking terrain. Sort of screen. That old bridge down there.
Railway bridge.
night, isn't it? This one got a boring motorway to go on instead of that road that we have missed. Have it. This is just as good actually. This is like
Yeah.
this. I didn't want to look at that view.
No, you don't look at the view, please. It's trees and a river bully.
You look for us, but
I'll look for you as well.
wow.
Wow.
You get that?
No.
No, but you must have looked down that.
I looked, but I didn't have the. I was literally just putting the camera on.
Ah, bugger.
We're back in Switzerland.
Yeah, alright. It's the border. By Italy.
Oh, yeah.
That old bridge. They don't give a fuck. Camino.
Wanna stop and have a look?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Must be difficult on a bike with all the cars whizzing around the corners, tight corners
Yeah.
like this.
That water's green, isn't it?
Yeah. The road that keeps on giving. Train gets a tunnel. Way down.
Right down.
Whoa, fucking hell. That looks great. There's a little pull in. Can you see anything from here?
It's too. I think it's too treey. I have to like lean over into the a bit more gorge there.
Whoa. I'll have to have a break when we get down there. My brakes are going to be red hot. So I'm having to use my brake. I haven't got a clutch.
You'll be good like that picture.
Yeah.
But that's a scenic train route, don't you?
Yeah, I reckon.
Well, obviously we can see it's a scenic train route, but...
I'm actually sick of doing corners now. Give me a motorway any day. So I've got a bike behind me now. Let this guy by. Yeah, you've got a more nimble bike, fella.
Every now and again, just through the trees, you get a glimpse,
Yeah.
like a gorge and a big river running through it.
Cool this bike down a bit now. The tram. The train, well, train. Train
Little
tram.
one, train tram.
Oh, this one's got a time on it. Oh, cool. Oh, we have green for a change.
That town down there looks very Italian.
Town.
Yeah, the town in the valley colours. It's
Yeah.
not switched off.
Oh, something
That
smells
smells nice.
Oh. It's weird, isn't it?
I think it's, yeah.
Smells weird.
Is this where we're going?
It says it's weird.
Road? No, this car's down here. This is your car park.
We're here.
Yeah,
I don't know
parking.
where it is.
Wait, looks like
that's
it's a
it,
walk.
it's there,
This,
yeah.
yeah. Well, parking here, don't watch. Gonna take a picture.